Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you for watching this video. If this is your first time watching my video or on my YouTube channel, a little bit about me. My name is K-Rock. I own a wrapping slash PPF company out here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin called Unique Wraps. I'm gonna throw up my information on the screen right now. So if you happen to be living anywhere near Milwaukee area, want to get your car wrapped or PPF or anything like that, hit me up, DM me on Instagram and all of that good stuff. But today we have another video. Well, I'm making another video on another car, and it's a Tesla Model 3. I know I made a Tesla Model 3 my recent video. I'm gonna do a little bit different. The last time I didn't show you guys how to disassemble the car. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys disassembling the car and also washing the car before I even wrap and how I do that. And then we're gonna go through the whole process of wrapping again. And it's actually gonna be a really special color for this one. I already have my pressure washer set up. I got my 2 buckets set up. One is gonna be water, the other one gonna be soap, and then I got my foam wash ready to go. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the air hose and then I'm gonna try to blow off all the nooks and crannies, and then after the car is almost dry, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking the parts off. So start taking the trimming off. So the whole car is washed. I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys on a tripod and gonna show you guys how to take some of the trimmings off. So all you have to do is put your finger underneath and right here, and you just push back and pull up, and then you just slowly keep doing that. So we got this off. Basically, again, you're gonna put your fingers right here underneath behind. You're gonna push, pull up, and then you're just gonna use the other hand from the front, and you're gonna slowly pry it up. And then to take the top trimming, the top chrome trimming off, what you need to do is open up both doors, and then if you guys just pull on this rubber trimming, basically you guys need to pull it down. Not all the way down, but I'm gonna just leave it hanging right here because there are some clips right behind the camera, which you don't need to, you can't take it off because it's gonna be really hard to put them back on. And then same thing on the passenger side, you're gonna be taking this rubber trimming down And then if I bring you guys closer to end, you guys will see the torque screws. There's one right there. There's about 8 torque screws. What you want to do is, I have this. You can also use a torque screw, the trimming tool, not the trimming, I mean the hand tool, but I like using this. This is a T20 tool. I'm just gonna go ahead and unscrew all of them. And then what you're gonna do is, you wanna slide the trimming to the front, because it does locks up in the back. So, and then pull in the front, and there you go. You got the whole trimming. So to take the door mirror off, you gotta take the door panel off, because it's held down by 10mm bolts. To take the door panel off, which is really easy, you have a torque screw right here, and then you have another torque screw right there, and then you have another torque screw behind this cover. You just basically put your finger behind and you just pop it off like this. This comes off. I'm gonna put this on the driver's side, and you have another torque screw right there. So it's gonna need torque T25 star head. Trimming tool, make sure not to scratch the panel or the door. You basically want to put your hand underneath and just pull it. It's gonna sound like you're breaking the clips, but you're not. You're basically unlocking them. You're gonna go around the whole door. Right here, number 2 right here, and number 3 is right behind this trimming. And make sure when you pop that trimming, there's a clips behind it. And after that, you just basically unhook all the wires, and you basically feed the wire out from the door trimming. I forgot to show you guys one thing, how to take this mirror cap off, and also how to disassemble the mirror. So when you're wrapping the chrome trimming on the mirrors, it's easier to wrap that rather than having a bunch of cuts and stuff. So to take the mirror cap off, what you need to do is, you see these 2 edges, you basically need to pull them back. It's basically glued on a little bit, basically, and then what you want to do is, after you basically run a plastic scraper thing all around the edges, you just want to lift it up, not back, not front, side to side, just up. It's going to come right off. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do that. After you do this, it's just gonna come off. As you can see, none of the clips are broken, and when you put them back on, you're just gonna slide it all the way down, straight down. So I'm gonna put this on the side. You wanna turn the mirror in. So you basically wanna take the end of the scraper, pull the mirror in with your hand, push the scraper in a little bit right here, pull back, and keep pulling the mirror back. It should come right off. As you can see, it's dangling. Now I'm gonna unbolt it from inside and gonna take it off. Next up is how to take the side camera off on the Model 3. Basically all the models is super easy. You wanna turn the wheel either to the left side or the right side, so you have more space to work in the back. And what you have is, you have this mud thing held down by 2 clips, one right here, one right there. There's gonna be clips on the top. There's gonna be clips on the one side and one behind that's holding on. You basically wanna push on the clips as you're pushing out the camera. And then after some time, it should come off without you breaking any clips. Next up is, I'm gonna show you guys how to take the tail lights off on a Model 3. You basically first need to unscrew this. Trimming off, the top screw off. If you pull this back, let me see, you will see these 2 screws, one right here and one on top, and you basically want to unscrew them, and you basically want to pull the taillight back off. There you go. Got the straight back, you got the taillight out. What I usually do is I usually put the screws where it belongs so I don't lose them. And to basically take the trunk top lid off, you just basically pull on all the clips. It's just held on by these kind of clips, and you can basically pop them out again with the trimming tool. And next up is to take the tail lights that's on the trunk. What you need to do is pull out these tabs, and then you should unhook the wire, and there should be a same 11mm bolt, one right here. Let me see. There's one right there, and there should be only one bolt that holding on to the headlight, the tail light, and then you should be good. Next up is the front bumper and the headlight. So do the front bumper, basically super easy. This top piece is just held on by clips. So if you just pop them off, there you go, that comes off. Next up is popping off this thing because this is holding on to the trunk. So basically, same thing, held on by clips. I'm just gonna throw that in here. And next up is unbolting. So there's about one right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth one is right here. So you basically need to unbolt those, and then the whole trunk should come off. You also need to pop this off. So you basically grab it and then you pull it straight up. You pull it straight up. There you go, it should come off. And basically gonna pull the wire, it should come off pretty easy. To take the whole trunk off, I'm gonna take a 10mm socket. You should pop the whole thing. Should be able to take the whole thing out. And next up is the bumper is held on by these 6 bolts. So basically same thing, use the same 10mm bolt. The top bolts off. To take the bumper off, you need to unclip these clips right here. Move this. Then you're gonna have 3 bolts on the top, and then you're gonna have 1 bolt on the bottom that's holding the bottom skirt to the bumper, and you want to try to take those off. Basically, you want to pull up on this side. And there you go. The bumper comes off really easy. These are a little bit tricky. You don't want to break these clips right here. The whole headlights is held on by one wire that comes off. Next up is the headlights. The way the headlights comes out, you have 1 bolt right here, and you have another one hidden right here. After you do that, you want to slide it back, slide it forward, unclip the wire, and this should come off as well. There you go, the whole headlights comes off. And there you go, the passenger side came off. And there you guys have it. The whole car is disassembled, and tomorrow I'm getting the wrap. We're gonna go ahead and start on the wrap, and can't wait for you guys to see the color. So again, this is only part 1, was me washing the car, disassembling the car, showing you guys how to disassemble some parts. Again, if you're in Milwaukee area or Chicago area, nearby Milwaukee, hit me up, DM me on my Instagram, email me, or text me or anything like that. I should be happy to do any wrapping you guys want to do. Starting in a couple of weeks, I'll also be doing a PPF. I finally got my PPF dealer license by Suntech. They have a new PPF 12-year warranty and everything like that. The part 2 is going to be consisting of wrapping the whole car and also getting the end results and getting the customer reaction tomorrow. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Really appreciate that. And yeah, and can't wait to bring you guys more videos on wrapping cars, PPFing, and all of that. So thank you again. Hit us up at UniqueWraps414 on Instagram, and yeah, hit us up. Wrapping, PPF, everything like that. So thank you.